Let me show you how to make this beautiful effect. The first thing you need to do is to record a clip where you walk towards and grab your phone. Okay, just like this, just walk and grab your phone. So the next thing you have to do is to import the clip to CapCut. Go to CapCut and select that particular video that you just recorded. The next thing to do is to delete the portions that you won't use, okay? Delete any portions or any portion that you won't use. The next thing to do is to go to Pinterest. Go to Pinterest and search for green screen phone template image. Okay, just type that. You will see so many options. You will see so many options. Okay, so once you see the one that you like, click on the three dots. Okay, just click on the three dots and download that image. You can use any one that you want. Just click on the three dots and download it. So import that same image to CapCut, but you will import it as an overlay. Okay, just go back to your CapCut and import that image as an overlay. Click on overlay and import that image. So right now, resize that image to match the main clip. Okay, just use your two fingers and just resize it. Just position the overlay so it covers the phone in the background. So the next thing to do right now is to go to remove BG, that's remove background. Okay, go to remove background and click on the chroma key. Okay, just click on the chroma key. Then use the color picker, that's the circle, to select the green you want to be removed. Just slide it so that the green will disappear. Okay, just like this, just slide it. Then you can take the intensity to 35. I made mine 35, so that 35 should be okay. So once you are done, click on OK. So right now, highlight that green screen again. Okay, highlight it and split it at the moment just before you grab the phone. Okay, just highlight it, then click on keyframe. Click on keyframe, then go front a little and also use your two fingers to make the frames, like the phone frame, to disappear. Okay, then insert the second keyframe. So right now, return to the main clip and split it at the moment your hand is about to grab the phone. Okay, and also split it again when your hand or when your phone is already in your hand, just like this. Then go to duplicate and duplicate that clip. Go to overlay and overlay that same clip again. So overlay that segment so it aligns perfectly with the main video. Make sure it aligns perfectly with the main video, just like this. Then go to remove BG, go to brush. Okay, go to brush and click on it. Use the brush tool and manually refine the area. But the place that you have to refine is your hand. Just use the brush and brush your hand. Okay, just make sure that overlay blends naturally. Okay, so once we are done, just make sure it takes some time, but not much. It takes only a few seconds to do this. Okay, just brush it slowly, gently. Brush slowly and gently. Okay, cover your whole hand. Brush your whole hand, okay? Just brush your whole hand. Then once you are done, click on OK and allow it to insert. Allow it to insert. This is what will give you that magical effect. Okay, this is what will give you that magical effect. So once you are okay or satisfied with your result, just click on export. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow me for more. See you all in my next video. Bye.